Hello, how are you? How are you all? Well, I hope you're well. And in this video, we're going to see how to make regular transfers from our Revolut to another account or to a payment we want to make monthly, like, I don't know, 20 euros to my aunt, okay? So I want to send her 20 euros monthly. Okay, how to do this? Okay, very simple. We open our Revolut app. Here we are. And from here, we go to the option that says payments down here in the middle, in my case in English, but that's okay. From here, all the payments I've received and made appear, okay? So here is as simple as clicking on this calendar here, where my subscriptions will appear, okay? Well, what I pay monthly for the different services. But I said I want to do it for my aunt. How to do this? Well, simply click here on new. And now it asks you, what do you want to schedule? A transfer? A money movement between accounts? Because you can say, well, yes, every month. From this account to my Revolut account, let the money transfer. Find a subscription that is good, right? And organize my income a bit. Imagine you deposit your salary in Revolut, let's say 2,000 euros, then 500 to go directly to buy stocks, or 500 to send to another account or whatever. So you don't have to do it manually every month. We would do it here. But in this case, I'm going to select transfer, okay? We select transfer. And now it asks you, who do you want to pay? And here it shows you. It suggests some accounts. I don't know why it does that. But anyway. But yes, in this case, I'm going to select my Trade Republic account, which is this one here, okay? Chuck on. And now, you can't see it because it's blacked out, but this would appear. At the top, the account to which you are going to send. Then, how much money you want to send, and then the reference or description, so that the person you're sending it to knows what you want to send them. Okay? Okay, here I've put that I'm going to send 20 euros, and here you go, girl. Your 20 euros monthly. And I hit continue. And now by clicking continue, it asks you, when do you want to send it? Today is April 15th. Do you start sending it today? Well, no, since I get paid, and it's true, on the 22nd of every month. Let's set it for the 24th, okay? And when will it repeat? Never. That is only once. No, for that, it's a regular transfer. So we're going to set it to daily. Wow, 20 euros daily is quite a bit of money. So no, monthly, but per month, okay? If not, every 2 weeks, weekly or daily. We don't have options. So I said 20 euros monthly. I click continue here. Now here a summary appears, okay? It tells you the account to which you are going to make it. The reference I put, like, here you go. Girl, your 20 euros monthly, that she will receive 20 euros, that there is no cost, that's good, okay? She will receive the full 20 euros, and the button that says schedule. So I would click that button, and it shows me that I have scheduled it. And now to see it, because I haven't done it yet, we go back here to payments, to the calendar, and here it tells you minus 20, but not yet. Next on April 24th, okay? A transfer is already scheduled. If we click there, here is what I told you. Here it tells you that it will start on the 24th, and the next one will be on the 24th, and since it's monthly, the next one will be on May 24th. We can pause with this button here, or we can delete with this button here, if we no longer want to make those transfers. And that's it. Well, thank you very much for watching the video. Give it a like if you enjoyed it. If it was helpful, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.